In today's video, we are going to see the 4 major website builders out there. If you don't have an idea of what a website builder is, it is a drag and drop interface used to create a website without the use of any coding. We are going to weigh the pros and cons of each website builder. If you are planning to launch a website soon, don't forget to stick to the video till the end. Welcome to my channel. I am Nandini. I help self-made CEOs to establish sophisticated and elegant website presence. So let's get started. First on our list is Squarespace. First, let us see the pros of using a Squarespace website builder. Greatest advantage of using a Squarespace builder is you don't have many learning edges to it. Built-in e-commerce features makes it super easy for setting online shops and membership sites. It is super easy to build and the templates are very creative and breathtakingly beautiful. Now let us see its downside. You don't have advanced features for building an e-commerce website. There are very less checkout options compared to Shopify. Integrations with third-party softwares is very limited compared to other website builders. Website loading is comparatively slow, which will affect your SEO ranking. As far as the pricing is concerned, its basic plan starts from $16 per month and its advanced plan is $49 per month. This is suitable for people with high budget. Next on our list is WordPress. Now to the pros. A popular website builder which is known for its SEO and plugins. This is my WordPress dashboard and I am showing the plugin section. If you want to search a particular keyword, it will come up with countless number of searches. And also choosing the theme for your website counts because that helps with your website speed. Always choose lightweighted theme like Astra for better loading speed. As it's open source software, it is not self-hosted. There is also more flexibility with developers using it. So you can buy a hosting from any of the hosting providers out there which will totally suit your budget. Before we see the hosting providers of WordPress website, let us weigh the cons of using a WordPress website. You need to be a little bit tech savvy and does need some learning edges to it. There is so much plugins which if not chosen wisely may affect your site health. Customer service will depend on your hosting provider. As it's an open source software, there is possibility of security risk and hacker accessing your data. Bluehost is one of the top WordPress hosting providers. Its basic plan starts from Rs 169 per month. Hostinger provides one of the cheapest WordPress hosting. Its basic plan starts from Rs 69 per month. Its advanced plan is Rs 899 per month. As far as HostGator is considered, their basic plan starts from $5.95 per month and its advanced plan is $9.95 per month. SiteGround is also one of the popular WordPress hosting providers. Their basic plan starts from $3.99 per month and their advanced plan is $10.69 per month. Next on our list is Wix. Let's see its pros. What's quite interesting about Wix is you get access to 900 plus free templates, which is so cool, and the templates are so aesthetically pleasing and easy to edit and customize. Its inbuilt AI creates a website for you in just few minutes. And you won't believe you can create a free website with Wix domain, which may be helpful for people starting out and later upgrading to their paid plan. Now to its cons. It has advanced SEO features, but it may not be great compared to WordPress. As far as its pricing plan is considered, their most basic plan starts from Rs 80 per month and their e-commerce plan starts from Rs 225 per month. Last on our list is Shopify. Now to its pros. Best e-commerce website builder and it is great for people selling physical products. It has amazing free templates. It has an analytical dashboard which tells you everything about who visited your website, about their background, and everything about your sales history, which makes selling totally cool. It even performs tax calculations automatically. Now to its downside. If you want to have a blog to your website, the features are not really great. If you want to give best customer experience or want to use right kind of checkout options, you need to buy its expensive plan and also may need to buy and rely on its third-party apps which should be purchased as well. As for its pricing plan, its basic plan starts from rupees 1499 per month. You can see that it is one of the costliest website builders out there. So, which website builder will you choose if you are going to launch a new website tomorrow? Let me know in the comment section.